Hey, what's going on everybody? So tonight I want to show you how I miter the edges of baseboard up against tricky curves like this fireplace. First I start out by laying my piece on the baseboard and tracing around it as closely as I can. Next I'm going to take it to my miter box here and cut the 90-degree angle first. And then I like to set it on the steel block and cut the other two 90-degree angles in before I start on the curve. I wanted to make sure I really get a good cut on that back side too, so I put it back up there and angled my saw just a little bit. And now I'm going to trace the profile with my penknife, and I'm starting on the front like this because I don't want it to splinter. As long as I cut through that white primer, it's not going to splinter on the front. If it splinters on the back, I don't really care too much about that, but I want to try and save the front. So I'm just making a couple little adjustments here to make sure that I'm all the way through this white coating that's on the baseboard so that it doesn't splinter on the front at all. And then you can see how it just came off in one nice little piece like that. The rest of this I'll chisel away at, keeping that profile, but the front is really the most important. Once I'm satisfied with my cuts here, I'll get my files out, and then I'm going to file the wood back to the original line that I traced. And then grab your other piece of wood where it meets the other side of the fireplace and do the exact same thing. Once I'm satisfied with all the filing, I'll hit it with a fine grade sandpaper just to knock off any burrs, and then I'll test fit it before I slide everything into the house. The dry fit looks great. It's time to put it in and see how it looks inside the room. Once I'm satisfied with the fitment, I'll glue everything in place. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and follow for more.